So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset chart to default on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. So you can see accounts, performance, history of orders, Exness terminal, payments, wallets, insights, copy trading, support hub, and your profile. So once you are at your personal area, you will need to get to your Exness terminal, which you can do through either here, or if you open up your profile, you can do it through the trading terminal right there. So you can even set it up on here if it's default or not firstly, and then get to your Exness terminal to use it. So it's not just for setting it up, it's actually for using it. From there you can see your ETH, BTC, some favorites that you might have added. And on here you can see your chart. Now if you want to restore to default, you will need to click the right trigger on your mouse and click on settings. So you can see the symbol, the status line, scales and lines, canvas. You can see some other stuff on there that you can toggle with. You can get to your properties of your Exness chart by either clicking F8 or getting to properties. And if it's not popping up, you will just need to remove it. So if you've set some things up on there, you can lock some price, paste, and do settings, but you will need to get to properties to remove that from there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.